What if you can build an app that could analyze any stock, its revenue, growth potential, and risks in under 2 minutes for completely free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using two free AI tools, Claude AI and Google AI Studio. And the best part, you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need to follow these steps. And by the end, you'll have a working app that generates a full stock analysis report and lets you download it as an PDF. Let's get started. Before we start, here's all you need. First, go to Claude AI, create a free account if you don't have one. Second, go to aistudio.google.com, also free. Sign in with the Google account. That's it. 2 tabs, 2 free tools. Let's start with Claude. Okay, so here's the clever part. Instead of building this app ourselves from scratch, we are going to ask Claude to write us the perfect instructions called a prompt. Then we'll tell Google AI Studio what kind of app to build. Think of it like Claude is your smart assistant who writes the blueprint, and Google AI Studio is the builder who follows it. So here's what I'm feeding Claude right now. I hit send, and in few seconds Claude will give me beautifully written prompt. It's detailed, it's clear, and it covers everything you need. What I love about this step is that Claude has basically done the hard thinking for us. It knows what a good app prompts looks like, so we don't have to figure it out ourselves. I've asked Claude to create a doc file for this prompt so that we can attach them in Google AI Studio to build an app. This is what Claude came up with, detailed instructions on what we need to build an app. Now we switch over to Google AI Studio. This is where the thing gets really fun. Over here you can see the prompt area. I'm going to attach a prompt that Claude gave me. And I'll add some basic instructions like create an app where user can input stock ticker symbol and company name based on the attached PDF prompt, and I'll hit build. Look at this, it's building a full web app right in front of us. It's creating the layout, the analysis section, even the download button. No coding for us, zero. Now here's something cool about AI Studio. It shows you the live preview on the right side, so you can already see what the app is going to look like or before you even start to use. Now our app is fully built. Let's test it out. I'm going to type a stock ticker. I'll use Apple and then hit analyze. It will take few seconds, and here it goes. It's pulling together the fundamental analysis of the stock. It has the business snapshot, sector intelligence, stock versus sector comparison table, stock PE benchmarking, competitive landscapes, the mode check, financial health report card, management quality scorecard, valuation, is it cheap or expensive, fair value estimation, the margin, it will also calculate the margin of safety, and the price strategy. What's the entry point, what's the buy zone, what's the watch zone. Now an important thing to note, this analysis is based on what the AI model knows. For the most updated number, you would want to verify against live financial sites like Yahoo Finance or Google Finance, but as a starting framework, this is incredible. And now for the final part, I have also added download PDF button over here. You could save it, you could download this PDF, save it, share it, print it, or just keep it for yourself. Try it with any stock you are interested in, Tesla, Microsoft, your favorite company, the process is identical. So let's quickly recap what we just did. We used Claude AI to write a smart detailed prompt. We pasted that into Google AI Studio, which built us a full stock analysis app in seconds, and then we used that app to analyze a real stock and download the report as a PDF. No code, no paid tools, no finance degree needed. This is the power of combining AI tools. Each one does what it's best at, and together they give you something that would have taken a developer weeks to build in about 10 minutes. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel to grow so I can keep making videos like this. And drop a comment below, what stock are you going to analyze first. Subscribe if you want more AI tools, tricks, and real world use cases. No technical jargon, just stuff you can actually use. I'm Osis Benzo, this is Silica Soul, and I'll see you beyond the algorithm. Thank you.